Sharing a loan file with lenders, investors, and other third parties. So there's a couple of different ways to do that. The first way to do that is from inside of the loan file. We're going to go into the loan file. We'll go to pipeline main, and we'll go here into Flipper Frank loan file. All right, and up here at the top right, you see these buttons up here. The one with the arrow pointing to the right, this is the one, this is the share this file button. So we're going to click on that. And you can have some different files, different links to share here. But the ones we're looking for right here are the section right here titled Share Links with Third Parties like Lenders, Investors, and Title. And down here you can see that there are some quick app links. There's a full app link. There's everything in read-only mode here. You'll see some links have the info, borrower info redacted. Some have the you'll see this is the full app read only with access to uploaded documents, so you can have the ability to share the loan file with all the uploaded required documents as well. And some of these links have offer submissions, so if I wanted to share the full app link read only here, but I wanted to share the one with the offer submission, I could click on this to see what that looks like. It's going to open up in a new tab. So here it is. The loan file is all here. All the information is here. It's all read only, so the third party could take a look at it. Let's take a look at everything here. And up here's the submit offer button. So it's an easy way for a lender and investor to submit their bid or their offer to you right from this page right here, right from this deal. So they can just click on that and they can fill this out and hit that submit button, and you'll actually get that offer inside of the loan file. So when you're inside of the loan file, you'll have an offers tab over here. So those are the links here. They have all these access to all these links to share, both quick app and full app. You'll also, if you want to see this full app with read only access to the uploaded docs as well, if we click on that, this allows you to share the full app with access to all the uploaded documents, right? So if I scroll all the way down, this one has the most information available to share. And when you get to the bottom here, this is where you will have access to all the uploaded documents. And so I can actually download all the required documents if I wanted to, and just download all those as a zip folder. All right, so that's the first way to share the loan file. The other way to share the loan file is if you have the marketplace as part of your plan, you can share the loan file with any of the lenders in the marketplace just by clicking on the submit financing request button. So let's go take a look at that. So let's say we're in the marketplace. We're going to go to the marketplace in the loan file here, and we're going to fill out these required fields right here for the scenario. These are all filled in, so now I can do a search here. And once I do the search, I'm going to get my lender results down below here. They're all sorted by this matching score from highest to lowest. So now if I wanted to share the loan file here with this first lender, I can click on the plus here to open up and take a look at some information about that lender. If I already have reached out to this lender and I've established a relationship and I have a contact over there, then I can use the submit financing request button here. I just click on that. I'll get a window that pops up here. I can put my contact's email address here. In the body of the email, you'll see that there's information that's pulled from the loan file and it's pre-populated here. And there's also a link to the loan file here. So when the lender receives this email, they'll be able to click on this link right here, and it will open up. When they click on it, it'll open up the loan file here. So they'll be able to come in here, take a look at the loan file, and they can submit an offer to you right from here. All right, so there's a couple different ways that you can share the loan file with lenders, investors, and other third parties.